Isn't it fun to be able to lift the veil a little and take a peek into the future? What it brings, what it holds for us? Well, there is no easier and simpler way than dowsing. You don't have to learn the meaning of tarot cards. You don't have to have a special gift to read the future, to see something. You can just use a simple tool to withdraw the energy from you to see the answer to your question and find the solutions to your problems. I'm Alicja and I would like to invite you for the online class run by fantastic metaphysical store in Matwen, Massachusetts on May 28, which will be Thursday at 7 to 9 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. During this time, we will talk about the changes which comes to us as we go from the era of Pisces to era of Aquarius. You see, era of Pisces was dedicated to familiarize ourselves with white light, the light which we are built of, mostly, of course. The light which opened up our eyes to higher dimensions and to connect us with amazing creatures, beings from there. Aquarius era is even most fascinating, dedicating to researching golden light, the light of divine power. How can we match this vibration? Well, dowsing definitely can help us. Either you want to heal yourself or solve your everyday problems, or you want to deal with traumas and pains, which of course our recent time is filled with. You can do it with dowsing. So the lecture Dowsing as an important aspect of spiritual development will give us a tool to solve our problems, the methods we can use to quickly, as a silver, which is a metal ruling the Aquarius age, because gold is a vibration which will lead us to better future. And I know it does not look like we are on the right path, but let's keep our spirits up and believe that it is. We have a power, and dowsing can help us to be even stronger in our dreams, desires, and achieving our goals. See you online in Circles of Wisdom on May 28 at 7 p.m.